welcome to Autism Takes On, and today we're going to the Strasburg Railroad. Today's weather isn't cooperating. There's a lot of rain, and I'm with my therapist Joe, and here is my therapist Joe.
Hi. Yeah, like you said, we're delayed, and we even got delayed an hour today, but we're gonna persevere. We're gonna have an adventure on the Strasburg Railroad.
I hope you all liked the video. Here's what Joe and I are having.
You come to Strasburg, you can look forward to eating cheeseburgers like this.
And fries like these.
Yum, yum, yum.
We also got a Coke to go with it. Here comes Thomas. He's going backwards. Here comes our train.
475.
This locomotive had a special appearance in Thomas and the Master's Railroad.
As they came out of the printer at the station, we ask that you please separate those handcuffs for your coach in just a few moments.
Here's Norfolk and Western number 611. I can't believe it's still here, but it is. It was built in 1950 by a Norfolk and Western Roanoke shop. It was built in May of 1950. This was a mainline passenger streamliner capable of up to 113 miles per hour and able to produce 5,300 drawbar horsepower. Hey there! Here's the return trip. Hey, wait a minute. If our engine's there, then who's pulling us? Mavis with her train. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hope you all have a nice day and stay fresh.